Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood brokerage account on desktop, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. In the address bar, type in the URL for Robinhood. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button. The login button is usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will then be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that there are no typos in your email and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter the verification code if prompted. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click on the login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. If your information is correct, you will be logged into your Robinhood account. You can now access your portfolio, trade stocks, and manage your investments. If you encounter any issues, double-check your login details for accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.